So out here at 1913 Bird Hill Road, this is the door that you actually come in that's closest to the parking area. And when you walk in, you have the stairs on the left that go up to the loft. Or of course, you're in the living room. It does have a gas fireplace. Everything is wood. The floor is wood. And actually it's technically a laminate. These giant windows that look out into the woods. Lots of natural light. I've not turned any lights on it. It's just super bright in here. You have your formal dining area and your kitchen. Give you a different shot of the living room. These windows are just terrific. Stackable washer and dryer. You have a guest bath. It just has your standard 60-inch by 32-inch tub shower surround. Single vanity. Tile floor. Master bedroom. King size bed, a couple of nightstands, and a dresser. This one has a small TV that might want to upgrade. Has a corner jacuzzi tub. Master bathroom has a tile floor, single vanity. And this one has a 4-foot walk-in shower as opposed to a tub. You have the tub in the room. You have a walk-in shower in here, and the guest bathroom, of course, has the tub shower surround. So you do have the option for a regular bathtub if you want one. But you have 2 bedrooms on this main level. And we still have the loft. And upstairs in the loft, little mini fridge, which is a good idea, and a microwave. Just some storage on the sides. As you can see over there, that door is open. Now they have a futon up here and a pool table. So this could easily sleep 8 if you put a pull-out sofa down in the living room, but with the futon, the 2 bedrooms, and a pull-out sofa, it would sleep 8. We're just on the outskirts of Sevierville, kind of in between Sevierville and Gatlinburg, so it's a pretty nice location. And it's a really nice cabin.